Hi, welcome to another episode of Selling Life and Annuities. I'm Ray Parman, and today we're going to be talking about mad money with my good friend Paul Bechtold. Paul, you kind of seem fired up. What's the matter?
Man, Ray, last night, it just got to me. It hit me. I couldn't sleep, man. I just got up. I started making a list.
What kind of list did you make, Paul?
The things going on with our money now is the list I made. The stock market, can you believe it? Up one day, down the next. It's all over the place.
Yeah.
And people have fears about just losing their money. We talk to them all the time, right?
Yep. My 401k is that 201k like everybody jokes about. And, sadly, that's just the reality, right?
Well, and then what about this inflation?
Oh,
The spending power of our dollars and the cost of living out there right now is just through the roof. People could barely make ends meet. They're putting more money on credit cards. They're running their debts up more. It's great for my business. Don't get me wrong, but
Yeah. It is, in weird ways, good for business, but in another weird way, I feel like I have to take out a second mortgage just to buy my family some eggs.
Exactly. And then taxes.
Oh my gosh.
Going on $33 trillion of debt that our government has out there right now.
Oh yeah.
Medicare, Social Security underfunded. Do you see any possible way, Ray, in the future that taxes are not going to be much, much higher than they are now?
I would be willing to bet something significant, but I'm not real sure what. But I guarantee you taxes are going to be going up.
Yeah. And then the last thing, I don't want to be known as a conspiracy theorist, right? But have you heard some of the rumors going on out there about what they're talking about doing with people's qualified money and invading those accounts? Because let's face it, the government needs their tax dollars now, not later, right?
Yeah. Can you expound on that? That's alarming,
Well, here's what most people don't realize, okay? An IRA stands for individual retirement arrangement. And that arrangement is for you to defer taxes in the future and get a tax deduction now on those contributions, right? Well, the government can change their mind and go in and get their portion of those retirement savings now if they want.
Good Lord. That is alarming. To you, to me, to anybody out there. This is we're all gonna be paying this debt back, essentially, is what you're saying.
And then the one that got me too, what about these banks? They are folding like origami out there.
I know.
Silicon Valley, then you just heard a few more last couple of weeks. People have fear about where they're keeping their money.
Oh yeah. Yeah. And so what's the alternative? Is there any hope out there for anybody?
Ray, I think we just might be able to come up with a couple of solutions that might work.
You mean like cash value life insurance, maybe?
Yeah, it could be an IUL or maybe a higher cash value whole life policy.
Get out of here.
Get them out of debt, free up their cash flow, save tax-free for retirement, protect it from all those predators out there, the government, people like the colleges and places where your financial assets are means tested, Medicare Part B and D premiums, Social Security income. Can you imagine the things we can do for people to get out? Ray, here's what I could do. I could just take this stuff and I could just rip these problems right up. If we could just...
if only we could describe to somebody how whole life is a non-correlated asset to the stock market.
Exactly.
Just think of just the epiphany everybody out there would have.
Right.
It'd be amazing.
Or, even those seniors out there that have those qualified accounts, rolling them into a nice annuity and getting out of the risk. And then maybe positioning some other assets with life insurance to balance that out and make sure that they're covered no matter what happens the rest of their life. Ray, I would just sleep a lot better than I slept last night.
I would too. But you know what? We just got to get more people out there telling the story, right?
But so if they wanted to talk to you, Ray, about this, how would they get a hold of you?
I think people should probably call you.
Yeah, paul@gordmarketing.com is my email, and 317-626-3054. Man, I'd love to take your call at any time of the day because I'd sleep a lot better just knowing I'm helping somebody. Right?
Yeah, absolutely. That's why we're here. We're just here to help navigate these tough times that we're all facing. So, Paul, hopefully you'll be able to sleep better tonight knowing that we're at least getting the word out here.
Well, Ray, now that I've been able to talk to you and get it off my chest, I think I'm going to sleep a lot better.
All right. Well, hey, that sounds amazing. Anything else that's on your mind that's troubling you, or should we let these folks that are tuning in go out there and absolutely tell the story and nail some of these concepts with their clients?
I think all they got to do is talk to their clients about the very things that we just discussed, all these issues out there, and tell their clients that we can help them.
And give us a call.
I think everybody will sleep a lot.
Yeah, we're on your team. We're an extension of your practice, and we just want to help you help your clients. That's what we're here for.
That's right, Ray.
All right, Paul, I know you're super fired up. I hope you can go like hit some range balls or something, just kind of cool down a little bit. But I'm glad we got this point across today. And again, folks, if you're out there, certainly give us a call anytime. But for this episode of Selling Life and Annuities, we'll go ahead and close it out. Certainly appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Share these videos with your colleagues, with your friends, with your clients, and give us a call in the next case. Until then, Paul,
happy selling.